I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Heathens and Trees on ukulele. We will start by covering the fundamental chords that form the backbone of both songs. You will also learn a simple, versatile strumming pattern to keep your rhythm steady. Focusing on proper finger placement is key to producing clear, beautiful sounds on your instrument. For Heathens, we will focus on three core chords: C, a minor, and E minor. The song primarily cycles through these, making it quite accessible. A good strumming pattern to start with is down, down, up, up, down, up. Concentrate on transitioning smoothly between each chord, ensuring every note rings out clearly. This repetition builds muscle memory quickly. Now let's tackle Trees, which uses a slightly different set of four chords: a minor, F, C, and G. You can adapt the strumming pattern you learned earlier to fit this song's rhythm. Focus on the transitions between these chords, especially when moving from F to C and then to G. Consistent practice will make these changes feel natural. To truly master these songs, consistent practice is essential. Start by practicing your chord changes very slowly, ensuring each transition is clean. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you maintain a steady beat. Once comfortable, feel free to experiment with different strumming patterns to add your unique flair to the music. Keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.